Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appium Guide. As a part of our Appium Gestures using W3C Mobile Gestures API series, in this video we'll perform Flick Gesture using W3C Mobile Gestures API, and we'll perform Flick Gesture based on the element and direction is down. Okay. So for Android, we have total 9 W3C mobile gestures commands. Okay, to perform the fling gesture, we had to use the command mobile colon fling gesture command. We need to use it. Okay, so further we discuss about the what exactly the mobile colon fling gesture command. Okay, see, by using mobile colon fling gesture, perform the fling gesture on the given element or area. Means we can perform this gesture based on the given element or area. Means either an element or an area. That area is the fling bounding area. Okay, and the supported arguments are the element ID, left, top, width, height, direction, speed. Okay, these are all the supported arguments for this command. Okay, the first one is the element id. The element id is the id of the element to be flinged. Okay, and if element id is missing, then fling bounding area must be provided. Okay, means either we need to provide the element id or we need to provide the fling bounding area. Okay, if we provide both element id and fling bounding area, then the area effectively ignored. Means if you provide the element id and the fling bounding area, then the fling bounding area will be ignored here. Okay, and coming to our fling bounding area, we have four arguments. That is a left. The left will argument indicates the left coordinate of the fling bounding area, and top argument indicates the top coordinate of the fling bounding area. Width is the width of the fling bounding area. Height is the height of the fling bounding area. Okay, these are four arguments. Okay, in our next video we'll discuss about these four arguments. Okay, in this video we are just concentrating on the element id and the direction is down. Okay, and next important argument is the direction. Okay, the direction argument specify the direction of the fling gesture to be performed. Okay, and it is a mandatory field. Okay, means we need to specify the, if you want to use the mobile colon flick gesture, we need to use this direction argument mandatory. Okay, and it accepts the four values, that is the up, down, left, right. Okay, and it is in case insensitive. Okay, and in our previous video we have seen how we can perform the fling gesture on left and right direction. Okay, in this video we are performing the fling gesture by using down. Okay, and the next argument is the speed. The speed at which to perform this gesture in pixels per second. Okay, and a value must be greater than the minimum fling velocity of the given view by 50 by default. Means, okay, the speed at which we need to perform the fling gesture, okay, specify by using the speed argument here, and the default value is 7500 into display density. Okay, and if you use this command mobile colon fling gesture, it return a value, and the return value is the boolean 1 and equals to true if the argument can still scroll in the given direction. Okay, means if using the command mobile colon fling gesture, it return a value, and the return value is the, which type it is, boolean 1. Okay, and this is the example sample code of this one. Okay, and what we will do, we'll see what type of scenario we are going to automate. Okay, to perform the fling gesture. Okay, so we will open this Play Store. Okay, and then we will perform the, we'll click on this switch app. Okay, and then we perform the fling gesture and we move like this. Okay, we'll move to like this so that you can close the app. So this is the scenario we are going to automate it. Okay, now we'll open the Eclipse and then we'll create a class under demo package. So new, I name this class as fling down demo. Okay, I name this class as fling down demo. Click on finish. Okay, so what I will do, instead of wasting time, okay, I'll just create a sample Java class here with the setup and tear down methods here. I just copy this one and I'll paste it here so that our setup and tear down methods are ready. Okay, just remove this and the class name and the package here. Okay, and just rename the class name to the fling down demo. Okay, so I rename the class to sample class to the fling bounding area. Okay, now our class is ready with the setup and tear down methods. Okay, in setup, okay, I am using the capabilities and I am using the set platform name as Android and set automation name as UI Automator 2 and device name as a Pixel 8 Pro. Okay, and now we'll come back our test. So what I need to do, I need to open the Play Store here. Okay, the first step is to open the Play Store app. So for this one I am using the code driver.activate app. Okay, and I need to provide the package name so that it opens the Play Store app. Okay, we need to get the package name here. So open the command prompt and add the command adb cell dum sys window displays pipe grep -e single quotation m current focus. Okay, so I got the package name here. Select this one and click on enter. Okay, the first step is done. So we are opening the Play Store app. After open, okay, I need to click on this switch. Okay, I will need to click on this one, right? It is known as a switch app here. Okay, so what I will do, driver dot press key new key event Android key and the value is the switch app switch. Okay, app switch. So by using Android key app switch I am clicking on this one. Okay, and the next I want to get the value of this element here, right? So what I will do, I'll open the Appium inspector so that we get the strategy and the selector value here for this element here. Okay, so my Appium inspector is getting opened here. So I have saved a capability, simple capability here. Just I given the platform name and automation name here. So before starting session I will run the Appium server. Okay, my Appium server is up and running. I just click on the start session so that I can capture the strategy and the selector of this element here. Okay, yeah, see the whole element I want. So we have the Android UI Automator is the strategy, and this is selector. Just click on this one, open, go back to the Eclipse and say driver dot find element appium by dot Android UI Automator and give this value here. Okay, yeah, okay. Now what I had to do, I had to perform this fling gesture. So I had to move to from down, from direction is from down to like this. I had to move. Okay, okay, I write the code for this one. Okay, now what I will do, I'll pass this code to the and say element and say web driver element here, web element. Okay, and now the next step is it is our main step here. Okay, so I say I write a comment here, perform fling gesture fling gesture based on element and direction is down. Okay, so I write the code here. Okay, now we have to use driver and I need to cast this driver JavaScript executor. Okay, now I say execute script. See, I had to provide the key, and the key will be the command name. That is, command is mobile fling gesture here. So F is in lowercase and G in uppercase. This is the command name I need to provide. So this command name I am providing here. Okay, and now go back to Eclipse and we had to provide a set of arguments. So what I am using here, I am using the immutable map of dot of, and I need to provide the first step is the element ID. So we have to provide the element ID. The key will be element ID. Okay, that is a key and the value I need to provide here. Okay, and the value will be element and I need to cache this element to remote web element here. Remote web element, so that I can get the method called get ID. Okay, so the first step is done. Now the direction, right? I had used the direction key here and the direction we are using is down. Okay, down, and next one is the speed. Okay, I have used the speed key here and the value I provide as speed value here. So we need to create a variable called speed value. Okay, and what we will do here, just go back here and we say speed. Okay, and this is a int type. Type will be int type, int speed value. So we need to calculate here. Okay, and so as per the argument, it says the default value is 7500 into the display density. Okay, so we'll go back to Eclipse. We say 7500 into, so my display density of this emulator is 2.625. Okay, I need to provide this value here. So each and every mobile emulator or real-time device have the display density value here. So 2.625, and I need to convert this value in the int format. So what I will do, I say int here. Now converting this value into int. Now I am providing this value here. Okay, and here the return type is the boolean here. Okay, the boolean. Okay, so I need to capture this value here. So go back to the Eclipse. Just say boolean, and I say I name this variable as can fling more. Okay, fling more, and I need to convert whole this value as boolean here. Okay, yes. So what we did, we have created the driver and we are cached it to JavaScript executor, and we are using a method called execute script, and we are providing the key as a mobile:/FlingGesture, that is the command name. Okay, that is a command name. Okay, and we are providing the elementId. Okay, this elementId, and then direction is down, and I specifying the speed also here. Okay, and our code is ready. So what I will do, I want to pause the script for some time so that we can see the effect here and so we can discuss at the same time. So I just giving the dead.sleep to 3000 milliseconds, that is 3 seconds here for each and every step here, so that we can see the effect also. Okay, so our code is ready. Appium server also ready now. So no app is running now. Okay, so what we will do, and you want to confirm, right, is app switch, the Android key, right? Just go to here. So if you see in Appium inspector, it's when you mouse over, it says press app switch button. Okay, this is the value I got it from there. Okay, and now I'll run this code. So it has to open the Play Store and then click on the app switch, and then it has to perform the fling gesture. Direction is down based on the element here. See, now the app is closed here. Okay, see. So once again we'll perform this one. Okay, what I will do, I'll add the I want to fill the console also. Okay, so I want to fill this in the console. Simple. Okay, once I run it, so when this one, so no app is running now. Okay, I just run this script once again. So it has to open the Play Store app and click on this app switch. Then it has to perform the fling operation based on the element, and direction is down. So we are closing the app here. See, yeah. So when you check here, there is no app here. Okay, so we perform the fling gesture to close the app. Okay, so we have given the arguments here, elementId, okay, direction and the speed. Okay, so as per our video, we are performing the fling gesture based on the element and direction is down. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, I'll push this code in the Git repository. Okay, you can get the code from here. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.